Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Syfe Trade is one of the easiest ways for investors to gain exposure to 5 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. Instead of buying individual stocks, you can invest in an S&P 500 ETF through Syfe Trade and build a diversified portfolio with a single investment. Syfe Trade provides access to US listed ETFs such as VOO and SPY, as well as UCITS ETFs like CSPX for eligible investors. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Syfe Trade in 2026. Simple and effective. So Syfe allows investors to access both US domiciled and UCITS SP500 ETF depending on their investing preferences. So first thing, open a Syfe Trade account. Like if you don't already have an account, create a Syfe Trade account, complete identity verification, personal information, accounts setup, and then you have to fund your account. So open the Syfe app, sign into your Syfe broker account, deposit funds into your investments account. Syfe supports buying US stocks and ETFs through its brokerage platform. So go to Syfe Trade, open the trade section, access the US markets investment area, confirm your available cash balance before placing an order, then search for an S&P ETF. Okay, so use the search bar. Popular S&P 500 ETF options include VOO, SPY, CSPX. Okay, so fund objective, review the fund objective, expense ratio, defined policy, fund size, and that's it. Open the ETF page, search for VOO, open the ETF detail page, review the ETF's holding preferences and fees, and tap buy. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.